Hi guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your UC account. So let's jump right into the video. Firstly, make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Once you do that, just go to your default browser and search UC login. After you make search, you'll find University of Cincinnati. Just click here. Now, as you can see, you are already redirected to the login portal. What you want to do is enter your username and your password. If you need any kind of help, for example, get your username, you can click here. If you want to change your password, you can click here. If you forgot your password, you can click here. Or if you have other login related issues, then you can call the IT service desk at these numbers. But if you haven't got any kind of problem, then you can simply enter your credentials and log in. That's it for today, guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to give thumbs up. Comments and feedbacks will be appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a good time.